We're good now.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in after a year of us missing out on video uploads. But we're here now, and I would like to tell you guys what happened to my old 2ZZ. If you would follow me. Right by the trash. So, let me explain to you what happened. One time, after driving it in a highway, the Volkswagen GTI tried to race me, and I was like, you know what? I might actually take this dude. I want to take him to Gapplebee's. So I put my brakes on there, started to brake boost, and one of the boost lines blew, and I overboosted to over 18 PSI, causing knock and sandwiching the shit on my goddamn bearing. So that was the end of the 2ZZ Turbo. But we got a new one here. It's a 2ZZ from Japan, straight from Japan. Nice little engine, it has like 40,000 miles. And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna turbo it again. Oh, we got a welder.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got a welder, TIG welder. So we're gonna do some pretty cool stuff. We'll give you updates on what we're going to do for the cooling system, for the air cooling system. We're gonna do something a little different. But eBay turbo and the turbo kits manifold still with the Apex Power FC. Stay tuned on that. But for this video, we just want to give you an update. We're gonna be working on this beauty.
So I got a new car. I like it a lot, don't get me wrong. But I sold the Celica. I probably shouldn't have, but I did.
Yeah.
And it's gone now. But all of its good parts, the Apexy's back in here. That's the only good part.
Yeah, that's the only good part.
I sold the wheels separately, so it got sold with the old wheels.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Hey, this car is sick though.
I love it. It's the 4.7 four-wheel drive SR5. It's all I could have wanted.
Yeah, come on, man. Like, look at this thing.
Leather interior. I like it.
Sick. And the freaking V8, boys. We stepping up in the world. V8, 4.7 liter V8.
In some new headlights.
Hell yeah, brother.
So we'll do that.
You know how we do our tutorials. They're usually okay at the beginning. They become very like.
We're gonna try to do better this time.
Yeah, we're gonna try to actually
we took
some
this
steps.
half apart to get experience, so we can show you on that.
Yes, exactly. So another update. All the parts that I blew up are in here. If you want any parts for some reason, hit me up or leave a comment. Got a head here. I also got the pistons, which are completely fine, and those are the Mallet pistons. Also have a 1ZZ turbo kits manifold. So yeah, just hit me up if you want any of those parts. But other than that, we're gonna keep working on that. Give you another look at the MR2. We might do a pull tonight. What do you want to do that, bro?
Sure.
Freaking hell yeah! Look at that.
In other news, I live in an apartment now, so all my tools are in freaking boxes.
Hell yeah! If you remember the old garage.
Rip.
That's RIP, yeah.
RIP old garage.
Rip-arino. Arduino. Yeah, this is what we're working with. But we got this bad boy. I also have a skilled brother that can actually weld, and he's gonna help me with some cool little things that I want, or at least I have planned for the MR2 that involve a turbo.
You like my new soldering station?
That's actually pretty lit.
Oh no, this is lit. It's in the engine bay. It's the sketchy part.
Yeah, it's really hot, and it's also super humid.
Well, welcome to misery.
Misery. Do you know what we're gonna do? Where we're gonna start? Come on, boy.
Where's my small screwdriver? Frick. We'll restart the update after I get tools.
By the way, this is on a phone, so super OG.
Oh, here, we'll bring it down here. So, what are you recording?
Yeah.
So what you're gonna need tools-wise is something to pop your clips. I just have a screwdriver with some duct tape on it, a small screwdriver, preferably flathead, and something to spin a 10mm and an 8mm socket. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is clean your car, which we skipped. The second thing, here, come above. You're gonna want to use your small screwdriver to press these two tabs if you're working on a SEQUOIA for the headlight washer, and place it on a microfiber cloth to keep it from scratching.
Well, that's legit as we're gonna get.
Yep. Use your screwdriver pop tool to remove two clips from the bottom of this
You're about to break that.
headlight cover. I don't care, I have more somewhere.
Oh, okay. Look at me. I have none holding my bumper.
Okay, there we go. Now this is the important part. You're gonna want to hold right here, put your screwdriver in between these body panels and twist, because if you pull out this way, you're gonna pop these two clips inside the car and they'll be broken forever. So get that top one, lower your screwdriver, pop that bottom one, and pull straight out towards you. There we go.
Nice.
Unbroken, because this is an expensive part, especially paint matched.
Good boy. Man, we legit out here, boys. Putting stuff on the microphone.
More or less. Where that smells. Step is get your top bolts out. There's one here and one here. That's the wrong one. Womp womp.
Head ass.
Gosh dang it. I was just excited.
I'm excited about my turbo.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
And then the third one is the lower bolt. That was tightening. Down here. That was from factory. Okay. Switch to an 8mm and get another microfiber cloth. No, seriously, because you'll scratch it if you don't.
Really? Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you're working on a Tundra, skip this part because y'all don't have headlight washers, peasants. Put the cloth up inside, have your 8mm nearby, pull up and over on these top two tabs, and then straight out. Maybe.
I'll be back for a commercial break.
You gotta lift this little tab out of this mount down here. I don't know if you can see over more.
Yeah.
There's a tab behind these two ports. You have to lift up and out. Double check your top mounts to lock themselves back in. And then once you get it out far enough, rotate down, which is why you wanted that microfiber, and undo all your clips.
Man, that's very simple.
Hey.
This is the easy part.
Took me way too long.
This is the easy part.
Sure.
Installing those bad boys. Oh, you can't see if the box is closed because
Hang on. So
I'm gonna wait here in a second.
once you've unclipped it, roll it down. Another reason I wanted the microfiber. And get these 3 bolts out of the headlight washer mount. There's 2 on this side.
It's a pretty cool system right there.
Yeah, and so this fills up with washer fluid and pushes the end out on a plunger track. That's how it operates. Pretty simple versus having little motors.
Yeah.
And then the third one is on the far side. Don't drop any of them.
Sick.
And then now you're all detached.
Hell yeah, brother.
Here's the headlight.
Now show them. Show them the lights.
I think I showed them the...
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's sick as frick. Alright, we'll give you an update of what we're gonna do next.
Please do. So what we determined by using the blinker and DRL bulb from the old headlight was that our purple wire is DRL and red is blinker. So what we're gonna do is disconnect the purple from here and wire it to the LED strip in the headlights and just ground the ground out. Or do you think we should ground it to the...
to the like chassis ground?
Should we chassis ground or ground it to the DRL so that it's all contained behind the headlight?
Honestly, we should do that.
Okay.
Yeah, because then it's just cleaner because we won't have like wires running onto the chassis. It'll look just, I mean, you won't see it, but at least it will be just contained in one place and we can just like
Okay. So
shrink wrap it.
we're gonna wire an XT60 connector off here. So if I'm taking the headlights out again, I can disconnect the DRL as well. Otherwise, I'll be stuck.
Oh, okay.
Without cutting those wires.
Actually,
They're not
sounds like a good idea.
super weatherproof, but
Fuck
it's
it.
the best we got,
Yeah.
honestly. So that's what we're gonna do.
Fuck it. That's recording, boy.
Oh. So what I did, which you can't really see it.
Put it on this side because of the light.
So what I did, which you can barely see, is I determined which of the 2 LED kits to put where. So our black kit is in this, and our purple kit is in this. So we're getting there. We're doing good. So you can't really see, but I put the black LED kit in the brights and the purple in the projector because I went inside and tested, and I think we have footage of that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll show you the kits. It'll be hard for me to link them because I got them from a different source, kind of like a Cargo Largo, buy them all in a lot sort of thing. So here's our black kit. I know I can link this. It's NAO LED H1 headlights. So that's my black kit. We can link that. But you'll notice my purple kit has a larger diode. And so this one was brighter for how small the diode was, but it wasn't in the right position to hit the projector at its best angle. So this larger diode hits the projector lens better. So that's why this one ended up in the projectors and this ended up in the brights. Dicen, D-I-C-E, is that an N?
I'm fucking, okay.
That's all the information.
Alright, wiring. So, we wired XT60s. So,
For
that's
the LEDs.
for the LEDs. We took out this wire because he preferred for the blinker light to not stay on.
So the blinker on the top of the, I'll grab a. So the blinker up here also serves as a daytime running light or parking light. I wanted the LED strip on the new headlights to do that without the orange on. So if you disconnect the purple wire, which we just have it folded back in case we need it later, the purple on my truck was DRL, so the red and the ground are still attached, which lets the blinker function normally.
Nice. So yeah, it looks kind of messy, but it's actually pretty clean in there. Everything is soldered correctly.
We just put a lot of water protection on it.
Yeah. So
we water protected it and then used XT60 connectors. Logic.
So that's good. We're gonna finish both lights, and next time you see the update, we'll have both of these lights done. What happened?
It's cracked.
No! What? I got that on video.
Wait. Is it cracked or is that a seam? That's a seam.
That's a seam. Oh my god, dude!
I just
don't
had a heart attack, dude.
Bro!
Like we did all that. Okay, it's a seam.
Okay. Why would you scare me like,
dude? It scared me.
Jesus Christ. Yeah,
Click.
just like that. Oh.
Oh, frick. That's where it's not sitting in there.
Oh no, there it is. Oh, yeah, I was saying that it turns off. This turns off whenever he does the these lights, the running lights. Looks good. Dang, man. Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah, boy.
That looks good, bro.
Good job. The garage will
oh yeah. Out. Hold up, I need my. Jesus, that's bright. God. Let's see how it look my garage.
Oh dang, those are the brights.
Are they level?
It's pretty level. Look at that.
Yeah, do it again. Do it again.
It's pretty.
This one is a little bit. It needs a little bit. Yeah.
High. The one's good, honestly.
Yeah.
I think that's a good level. Or do you think the other one should come up just slightly?
So you take care of that. Once it's done. Once it's done, we will go on a ride in the MR2 and do a couple of pulls. But the problem is that when I did try to do a pull, this thing, this car was actually starting to what?
Will you switch them?
Switch what?
The garage door. It's like lower that one.
Oh.
That one. So I can
Okay.
name the beam.
What I was saying is, hold on. Damn it, this stuff is so loud. What I was saying is that what was happening with the car? Oh, the spark was getting blown out for some reason. I think it might be the heat.
Yeah, it's just hot.
So I found it over there. Car is misfiring at really either high loads or high RPMs. So I think I'm gonna have to either tune that on the Power FC or see if it's the air fuel ratios. But the problem with the air fuel ratios is, let me show you, is you probably can't see it. Actually, that might work. So that sensor is broken, I believe, and it's not sending any signal to the AEM. I might have to buy another sensor, and that's actually like probably $100 just for the sensor. So that's really gonna suck. But what are we gonna do?
this place where we almost hit a deer last time.
Oh yes. I
Oh
enjoy this.
no. Welcome to Mexico.
Yeah, this is Mexico over here. I want to do it first.
Oh gosh.
You hear that? Yeah,
She's
it's
not
breaking up.
happy.
It's breaking up pretty bad. Oh, I know what this might be actually.
What?
It's probably the BBL,
Sensor?
not the sensor, but the actual,
Pump?
we need to clean it.
Oh, the filter.
The filter, yes, it's the filter. So, shit, I guess that might be for another video.
Oh, boy.
I'll show you how to clean it. There you go. So, okay, well, this is the end of the video. We wanted to update you on what was going on with this car. His Celica was sold because he's a prick.
Hey,
I'm just kidding.
I needed a more reliable car.
I know. It's a Toyota. I mean, you got a Toyota.
It was reliable, but it was close to a lot of work, and that was money I couldn't fork out.
So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, leave a like. And if you want to see more of what we do, click subscribe.